Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to tell you something new which will be very useful for you. So without wasting time, let's start the video. As well as you can see, I am new that passcode, but I don't know Apple ID password. Enter iPad passcode. Tap settings and hit the iCloud sign. Just tap on sign out. He's asking the password of iCloud. Now you have entered the wrong password. Twist. Enter any wrong password and tap turn off. Once again same try. Now you can see appears on screen reset password. You just tap the reset password. It will take some wait here. Now you can see he's asked iPad passcode, not password. Enter your iPad passcode. You can see new Apple ID password. Enter new password. Tap done. Tap sign out. iCloud removed from iPad. Now you can sign in to your iCloud. You can see sign in my Apple ID. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you are all now. If the video helpful for you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.